He's the boss, boss. And this is the bloodline. All over the world. Turn your radios up and let's go. Adrenaline rushing, blood in my vein pumping. Got over everything, trials ain't nothing. I'm in that bloodline. Check out these blood stains. Words on the bullets, combat take. And I'ma put my cross up and I'ma walk with it until I'm dead. And I'ma put my cross up and I'ma walk with it until I'm dead.
It's death before it's honor. Got over everything. I got that rare blood type pumping through every vein. Go ahead and shoot your flaming arrows, I won't feel a thing. And you would think that I was pumped full of that Novocaine. Don't think that I'ma drop it. I pick my cross up until my death, I'ma rock it. Yeah, I must admit that I used to be counterfeit. Now I'm the opposite, my flame is lit, I will submit.
Man, I'm washed, man, I'm cleansed, man, I'm covered by the blood. Jesus came and picked me up when I was face down in the mud. Had my mindset on the dub, didn't care about no love. Till I really found true love, I threw the story of the sun. You committed to this walk, then consider us as fam. Got my back, I got your back, man, together we gon' stand. We about the Father's business, make a move that's gonna last. People, our team, we getting stronger, time to put demons on blast.
This ain't no armor, I'm a baking soda, this 100% pure. Tell the hood I got that good and guaranteed to bring the cure. Ain't no water down, ain't got no cut, y'all ready know what's up. I got that Luna scripture that'll hit you from your ankle up. Never ever met for real, Jesus crack my painkiller. Got me reaching prostitutes, gay bangers, and them drug dealers. Really been a long time coming, homie, you know what to do. Watch me bust the first on you demons, man, like I already do. Adrenaline rushing, blood in my vein pumping. Got over everything, trials ain't nothing. I'm in that bloodline, check out these blood stains. Words on the bullets, combat take. And I'ma put my cross up and I'ma walk with it until I'm dead. And I'ma put my cross up and I'ma walk with it until I'm dead. Tell me, who am I? Well, I am nothing without Christ. And for you who walks in darkness, you can't see without the light. So won't you follow him? See, that's exactly what I did. Yeah, that gives me the authority to say that I am his. If he suffered, I'ma suffer, and with him be glorified. My own family won't accept me, they don't realize that I've died. But with him I rise again. Listen to me here, my friend, that through Jesus you can join me in this bloodline that I'm in.
I don't think they know what I mean when I say that I'm in the bloodline of Christ. All up in my veins and my jeans, and I'm feeling no so just right. Yes, I know there's work to do, so I strap my word to go share the news that he is the way, he lived in me. This game ain't nothing, he paid my fee. He wakes me up and I walk with him, he adopted me, it took me right in. Now your girl set free and now she belongs to a king who is the only king of all. He says I'm his and I say it's mine, not of this world, I ain't scared to die. See I walk by faith and I thought my sight, we done set it off in this bloodline.
Straight from the pits, about the depths of sin. We was pulled by his love and now we grafted in, yeah, into the family in heaven and earth. Yeah, it's found in Jesus Christ, boy, it's the new birth. More worth, more value than the Obama kids. It's the true royal bloodline, that's what Jesus did. We richer than rich, how about this ching ching? It's the crown of life, that's my new bling bling.
Adrenaline rushing, blood in my vein pumping. Got over everything, trials ain't nothing. I'm in that bloodline, check out these blood stains. Words on the bullets, combat take. And I'ma put my cross up and I'ma walk with it until I'm dead. And I'ma put my cross up and I'ma walk with it until I'm dead.
Shotgun to my chest, breastplate like a vest, yes. Favored by them best, so the devil tryna press. Hot balas in my neck, but I'm not gonna lose my head. I'm gonna fight to the death, I mean the life until I'm dead. But I'm even more alive, on this hope I put my life. Bloodline